Hey there friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to delete the temporary system files in Windows 11. So I'm going to start by opening my Windows Explorer, and then here I'm going to scroll down on the left hand window and click on the main drive. Then I'm going to scroll down and click on Windows. Then here I should find the folder called Temp. Here we go. So here's your temporary folder. I'm going to open it. And now I should be able to delete all the files within it. So sometimes there are some items that can't be deleted, and this is because they're still currently in use by certain programs or services. So generally I don't delete those, and I like to leave them in the folder. You can also do this automatically using programs like CCleaner, which I tend to use from time to time because it's just a really powerful tool that quickly removes a lot of unnecessary files. So you can see I recently ran a scan here and was able to delete a lot of the cache and temporary files. So you can also customize what kind of files you can delete either here in your system or with your Windows programs or with your other applications and utilities. So you can download, if you're interested, you can find the program at ccleaner.com, and it's a really lightweight program. So simply type ccleaner.com and you should be able to download it from here. So that's how you can delete the temporary Windows files. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.